Tom Dav here, Dav Ranch. Today we have spicy pineapple jalapeno chips, Doritos. All right, let's try these. They look pretty appetizing. All right, I got the bag open. That's a unique flavor. Kind of a sweet and spicy flavor. Tastes pretty good. Kind of reminds me of pineapple jalapeno pizza. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. All right, food score. I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10. Kind of spicy. Yeah, pretty good. 7.5 out of 10. Well worth getting if you really like that kind of stuff. All right, Tom Dav, sign.